Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your PlayStation 5 system software. So if there is some sort of system software update, you should be able to see it on your downloads and copy section under here. So if it did go through at some point in time, you should be able to find it. Or what you could do is go up to settings and scroll on down to where it says system. Then go to system software and go to the right and go to system software update and settings. And then you can just look for the latest software update at the top. So it looks like mine is up to date. Now you can update using the internet. If there is an update available, we can go ahead and just search for something, and it looks like I have the latest software. Otherwise, you can do this from a USB drive too if you went on to PlayStation.com and you downloaded it through that. So you can checkmark this to download update files automatically or install update files automatically right here. So it should update your PlayStation 5 Pro automatically without you having to do anything. If your PlayStation 5 is in the rest mode, it should also update when you have your console turned off in rest mode. So another thing that you could do is completely turn off your PlayStation 5. And when it's completely turned off, we want to enter the safe mode. Hold down the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll hear two beeps. And then you'll launch into safe mode, use a USB cable, and then you can go ahead and update using the internet or a USB in the safe mode menus as well. So this will allow you to apply a fresh copy. If you do it through the system software file right here, you won't be able to apply a fresh copy. It just says up to date. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.